Hey guys, here in this video I'm going to show you how to add extra lock that I personally called a safety lock to your car. Instead of depending on the default car lock, as you can see, the car is locked, that is the wheel is locked, but the pedals are not locked. So there is no lock in the pedals. So I'm going to add extra lock to the wheel and pedal using this particular pedal lock. So this particular pedal lock is called steering wheel to brake pad lock. With this lock, you can lock your car steering or wheel. At the same time, you can lock the car pedal. So in this case, I have a Toyota Corolla LE 2010. So I'm going to use this as a safety lock to protect the car pedal and secure the car from thief. So literally when you turn on your car, you can see the steering is controlled, but when you turn it off and you see, okay, let me do that again. You can see this is on, but when you turn it off and you just switch the car steering to like 90 degree, once you straight the hand of the car, the wheel or steering will automatically locked. But in the case you want to use extra layer as a security measure to protect your car, so this is the type of lock I recommend. It's strong and it has some prospects. Let me actually see what we have inside. So inside the wheel and pedal lock, there is this huge, I can call it huge lock that can actually secure a lorry. Yes, this is really huge. I think it weighs about, let me check. The lock lead wheel and pedal lock should weigh about 6 to 10 kilogram. Yeah, so very heavy. Alongside the key. So the key only functions when you want to unlock it. So you have this one is removable and this is non-removable. So after then you need to remove the key. And once you want to lock your car, all you need to do is insert the lock and pushes it until it gets to the point where the car steering and pedal lock are fully locked or firmed. Okay, so let me just, okay. I actually did this. I actually turned on the car ignition to be able to control the wheel so that I'll get a perfect position of the wheel and the safety lock or wheel lock would be able to firm into this particular position. And one more thing I want to tell you about this car and pedal lock is if your wheel is a bit up, let me show you this. It's like this. The wheel and pedal lock will actually be affecting this dashboard, so thereby pushing the dashboard up each and every time you want to fix in the wheel and pedal lock to secure your car. So what I just need to do, or what you need to do, is to adjust the steering. There is always an adjustment for this for most cars, the recent cars these days. So I have the steering adjustment just beneath the dashboard under the steering. So all I need to do is pull it and bring down the steering to a reasonable position that the wheel and pedal lock can actually fix in without affecting the dashboard. So I'm going to push it down, then don't forget to lock it and unlock it. You can see I have this locked. Now to use the wheel and pedal lock and secure my car with it, I just need to unlock it first, then make sure you insert this here. This is where this is going to be, and this, the other edge, would be the one to take care of the brake. So forget about the accelerator, just forget about it. So just hook it, use it to hook the brake. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, you can see hooked. Now you can just, it is 360 degree rotating, you can see. So you can even see it's already affecting my dashboard. So then so just insert the lock into it like this, then Okay. Okay. Then, see that? Yeah. So once this is locked, you just need to remove your key. So if your car is on, you'll not be able to control the car, and the brake is fully secured. So this is how to protect your car from theft using a wheel and pedal lock. And I personally use Goclade wheel and pedal lock to protect my car from theft. This wheel and pedal lock is actually durable and affordable. I think it's around 20 to 25 US dollars, and it secures my car by locking the brake at the same time as the wheel. So guys, if you want to protect your car using additional safety or security measure using wheel and pedal lock or steering and brake lock, I recommend you get something like this. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm gonna see you in our next video. Shalom.